Hey everyone, it's Robert Smitty, and I'm glad to be here with you again for another edition of Ask the Expert with Willow Ridge Garden Center and Landscaping. I am right in front of one of my favorite winter plants, red twig dogwood, and a question I get often is what can I add to my garden for winter color and winter interest? And this is one of my favorites. One of my others would be its cousin, which is yellow twig dogwood, which looks very similar, just a very bright yellow stem. So really interesting for color and texture and conversation, to be honest, in your garden. Some of my other favorites would be camellia, as well as witch hazel, winter daphne, ornamental grasses, blue spruce, dwarf versions and tall versions. There's many others. So if you have further questions, contact us at Willow Ridge Garden Center and Landscaping. We're happy to answer those for you, and I hope that answers your question in another edition of Willow Ridge Garden Center and Landscaping's Ask the Expert. It's Robert Smitty, where we know the best dirt.